Welcome, and follow me as a OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving toggle, which should be visible on one of the pages. So if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left like I just did. Next, you can see my power saving mode is right over here. So once you see the toggle, you can simply tap on it. It does lower down the brightness of your phone just about by a tad. And there's a couple additional things happening in the background which are not mentioned here whatsoever. Which one of those will be disconnection from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you're not using your device. And there's two options: either it will reconnect to it every so often, or it will reconnect only when you interact with the device. Obviously, you can imagine how that might be kind of annoying because a lot of applications require internet connection to give you notifications. Anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can tap on the toggle once more to disable it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.